Home Remedies presents. After watching this video, you will never make your bed again. Here's why. Hi guys, good morning and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and today's video is all about the awareness of leaving your bed unmade after waking up. It is very interesting, so watch the video till the end to get complete information. Without any more wait, let's start. We, since our childhood, have been taught to make our bed after waking up and before beginning the day. However, scientists are now claiming that this is actually a very unhealthy daily practice. What actually happens? When we sleep for prolonged hours in bed, our bedding takes up moisture from the long hour body contact, which gives an opportunity to the dust mites to survive and reproduce. It all comes down to the millions of unseen dust mites that live in our beds. The bizarre alien-looking creatures feed on the dead skin flakes that fall off our bodies and into our beds, which makes mattresses, blankets, sheets, pillows, and anything else on your bed the perfect breeding ground for the microscopic creatures. An easy and effective way is recommended by the scientists to cut down dust mites in your bed. According to Dr. Stephen Bretlove, who recently spoke to BBC, leaving your bed unmade cuts down on the number of dust mites in your bed. We know that mites can only survive by taking in water from the atmosphere using small glands on the outside of their body. Something as simple as leaving a bed unmade during the day can remove moisture from the sheets and mattress, so the mites will dehydrate and eventually die. Fewer dust mites is better for your health because dust mites will frequently lead to asthma, allergies and other problems. Plus, who wants to share their bed, a place of coziness and warmth, with millions of freaky little bugs? So I hope from tomorrow when you wake up, skip making the bed and save yourself an extra minute. There is nothing to lose and potentially lots to gain by doing this, because you can only end up healthier and happier. Please share this with others so they can learn about the science and benefits of an unmade bed. Wow, that was pretty easy, huh? If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.